Thanks for tuning in to our third BBM challenge. For this challenge, our team set out in search of people in need of fashion help. Using our BlackBerry social networking apps, we spread the word through Facebook, Twitter, and BBM. We've received an overwhelming response, but had to narrow it down to the 4 people we thought needed it the most. So let's take a look using my BlackBerry playbook.
Our first makeover winner, Jody, contacted us through Twitter asking for help because she's so overworked from school and has lost her knack for getting dolled up. Jody has sacrificed style for comfort with her everyday school outfit. This makeover came at the perfect time for Jody. Her longtime crush has finally asked her out on a date. We decided to put Jody in jeggings since they are the perfect combination of style and comfort. We don't want Jody to look like she's trying too hard, so we chose natural makeup and neutral tones for her blouse, shoes, and clutch to keep her looking classy. A touch of turquoise in her costume ring is a perfect way to add some spark to her outfit. Our next makeover winner is Arash. Thanks to BlackBerry's email service, we conveniently received his mom's email and cried for help. Arash spends a lot of time on the couch with very little motivation to experience what the world has to offer. It's obvious that his lack of passion for fashion has affected his passion for himself. We wanted to get Arash ready for the workforce, so we cleaned him up by putting him in a solid gray dress shirt, black belt that complements his black dress shoes, and a bold royal blue tie to give him that extra boost of confidence. This makeover will motivate him to get off the couch and into the interview room. Our third makeover winner is Anna. Her friends decided to enter her for a makeover and contacted us on Facebook to let us know why. Though hints of animal prints are in the season, Anna takes this trend to a whole new level. Anna is an avid animal lover sporting clashing animal prints and textures from head to toe. Her faux fur jacket, leopard prints, and ruby red crocodile purse fight for attention. As you can see, simplicity goes a long way. We put Anna in a black jumpsuit and added pattern in the form of a striped blazer. We accessorized this look with an orange necklace to make her outfit pop. We didn't forget her love for faux fur, so we finished the look with a beautiful bag to add texture. Our final makeover winner is Nick. His girlfriend Nancy happens to be a good friend of ours. She read our BBM broadcast and BBM'd us back right away. She jumped at the opportunity for us to influence a change by updating his wardrobe. According to Nancy, Nick is very down to earth and is all about sticking to his roots. Nick grew up around hip-hop music, which is reflected in his streetwear style. Nancy is worried his sense of style will not leave her parents with a good impression. She begged us to help him tone it down. We didn't want to take Nick too far from his comfort zone, so we decided to dress him in a dark denim but with a trim fit for a more flattering shape. To make sure he's ready to meet Nancy's parents, we paired a bold checked sport shirt with a cardigan for a collegiate look. The rolled up cuffs on his jeans shows off his suede desert boots.
Thank you to everyone that sent in their videos, and a very special thank you to our makeover models. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our video and found some very helpful tips on how to go from drab to fab. And don't forget to vote for Team Teresa.